I'm talking the handmade gifts that I'm sewing for this Christmas with Alisa Shea of Thoughtful Creativity, and it's starting now. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from ElizabethMadeThis.com, helping you sew something creative. If that is up your alley, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So Alisa Shea of Thoughtful Creativity was thoughtful enough, haha, to ask me to do a collaboration video with her about the kinds of sewing things that we are making for our loved ones for Christmas. So that can be all kinds of different things. So she's going to talk a little bit, I'm going to talk a little bit, and we're both going to talk about all the things that we're making for people. Most of the things that I've been making are things that I've made for my blog and for my channel. I'm gonna link down everything in the description box, and Elisa's gonna do the same thing on her channel, so you can pop on over there to see all of her stuff too, and that's what's gonna happen. So let's get into what it is that I'm making for my family and friends this year. First thing are these lovely little wall art things. So here's the thing. It's nice to sew things for people, but sometimes you want a really quick no-sew project. So I happened to come across this particular piece of art, and I'm gonna call it that. It's a pattern. It's an old pattern that I found at an antique store, and I thought, you know what, this is a really, really beautiful fashion illustration. And yes, it's on a pattern envelope, and yes, I'm gonna keep that pattern and file it away for later, but in the meantime, I'm gonna put it on my wall. So I made another little tutorial process that I go through to get that all ready to make it into wall art. So that's another thing. We're gonna go over to the not so cold world of Tennessee and see what's being made over there.
Well, while Elizabeth is making wall art, I am making greeting card art. And you're like, hey, how is this sewing related? Well, these are actually stitched together, and this beautiful set I made for my baby sister. She's not a baby anymore. She's like 17, but she's an arts major, so I'm sure she's gonna decorate him somehow, and she's gonna really appreciate the effort, the thought. She really likes abstract stuff and things like that. And these ones are actually super significant because when they were visiting us here from Europe, we bought some alcohol inks and a special paper, and we were just having fun and pouring alcohol inks on top of that. So I took two of these little paintings, so to speak, and I made them into greeting cards. So I think it's going to be a nice little significant kind of little handmade gift that you'll for sure appreciate. Elizabeth! Another non-sewing, useful thing are these little magnetic pin cushions. So I made these again on another tutorial and on my blog as well. I made them out of little dishes. They are just super handy to keep all of your pins in order. You can see they're not falling out, which is great. So if you have friends that sew, it's a really fast sort of little gift to make for them. Super simple, very easy, and I even made over a commercial one. I really love this one actually because it's even stronger than the DIY ones. You can, woo! It's not going anywhere. All those pins, which is so handy if you've ever been so lucky as to step on a pin. Oh, hey Lisa, what are you making for handmade gifts for Christmas? I don't know. Let's go and see. Yeah, those pin cushions are sweet, and she's right. You never want to step on that needle. For those crafty people in your life, we have zipper box pouches over here. These are perfect for so many different things, for toiletries, for cosmetics, for brushes, for knitting needles, for, oh my god, so many things that you can actually put in these. And I am making a whole bunch of these. I haven't made all of them just yet. I've made just a few, but I have a full stack of already cut out pieces paired with zippers ready to go. I just need a little bit more time to get these going. There's another sewing tutorial on how to make these. These come together super quick, like 30 minutes or so, and you will end up with a beautiful zipper box pouch that you can give as a wonderful Christmas gift. So let's take a look what Elizabeth is up to.
The last thing that I'm going to talk about is kind of a cheat. I made this last year for my husband for Christmas. It's this lovely fleece pullover. The reason why I'm going to talk about this is because my husband really loves pocket in his jackets, and I didn't put pockets on this one because it wasn't on the pattern. The pattern is from the October family edition from last year, so 2018, and it is this little pullover. It's got this nice little thing, but it doesn't have any pockets. So what I did this year was to go back to the original pattern, and I added placement spot on the pattern to put the pockets on there. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to. And I think because I have this suede on there, I am going to trim out the zippers also in suede just there. So hopefully once I finish that, it'll add some more wearability to this. This has sadly not gotten worn near as much as I would like it to. I worked really hard on this jacket, and my husband usually really loves his jackets that I do make for him. So I was a little disheartened when he wasn't wearing this, and I asked him about it, and it was mostly because of the pockets. So we'll see if that helps.
Ha! Elizabeth's husband is just as picky as mine. I had no idea. Anyway, I actually made him something, and because my husband is really picky, like no joke, super picky, I took the raglan sweatshirt that he claims is the most comfortable that he ever had. It's a store-bought, and I traced the pattern out to be able to recreate that, and I made him a fun Christmas morning sweater to match Artemis's little sweater and pants that I made maybe a month ago or so. So I believe it's going to be a beautiful daddy-daughter moment, you know, both of them are going to be matching. This is going to be sweet. I think he's going to really love it, and I absolutely love the fabric. I used 3 different fabrics on the back, on the sleeves, and on the front, so I got to use up my remnants, and if he doesn't like it, I'm going to wear it. If you're making a sweatshirt or a long sleeve t-shirt for your loved ones and you're looking for a freestyle pattern, there is a really good one that's been tried and tested and got a seal of approval from my husband. It's anything but basic men's t-shirt. Comes with 3 different sleeve lengths. Comes with 3 different sleeve lengths, and I will leave all the links in the info box below as always. So let's take a look what Elizabeth is up to.
So I hope you enjoyed that video with me and Alisa, and yeah, definitely go check out her other stuff. She has made so many different videos with so many different stuff, and yeah, go head on over there, do all the things, all of that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, I hope you got some great ideas for what to sew for people and not sew for people for Christmas. Hey guys, I hope you got some great ideas about what to sew for people and what to no sew for people for Christmas. There's lots of other stuff happening here on Elizabeth Made This, so go check that out, and I will see you later. Bye!